Read a little more so I can educate my peers. Eat from my soul and cleanse my spirit. Pray cause I'm ready for the bloom of the city. Since serenity is on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's NichelleSade back here with another video. It's been a while, but I'm here. Hey. I'm here. So today's gonna be a little different video. I am doing a collab with another YouTuber. You guys never seen her on my channel. I went to school with her, and yeah, her name's Lashon. When I get with her and I get on the camera, I'll have her do her channel and all that stuff and tell you everything. But today we're doing a fashion challenge. I believe we're going to Walmart and trying to style fall looks with Walmart clothing. We're gonna give ourselves a budget, and so the main video is gonna be on her channel, but I'm gonna do just a regular vlog. And yeah, so I decided just to bring you guys along with me. Here I go. I'm right here. I am wearing this jacket, this shirt y'all seen before, crew neck, whatever, some leggings, and my Vans. Keeping it really simple. It's cold outside. I just have my rings on. I'm bringing some shoes just in case. I know Walmart probably don't got no shoes for me, so I just have basic shoes, a basic pair of booties, and a basic pair of sneakers. I brought my ring light, and so let's go. One more thing before we head out: if you are new to my channel and you are not yet subscribed, or if you already been to my channel, seen my videos, and you're still not subscribed, pause this video right now and hit that red subscribe button. Also turn on the notifications bell so you get an alert on the next time I upload a new video. And I'm planning on filming new videos and all that stuff. I've just been busy with school, but it's coming. So make sure you subscribe to see more from So I'm with Lashon.
Hey y'all.
She's gonna explain to you what we're about to be doing because we're about to head out to Walmart. But just
Alright, so basically we're going to be styling Walmart clothes. So we have $50 and we'll have to shop a full look excluding shoes. So we're just going to make a complete look of what we like and what we will wear. And basically we're just showing you how you can shop at Walmart. It's easy.
yes.
So yeah.
Alright, and all her information is gonna be down below. So make sure you subscribe to her channel, check out her videos, and maybe I'll be forever in your favor. Yeah, so I see some sweaters. Yeah, I'm mad nervous. I see some sweaters. Y'all know I like me a turtleneck. It's 11. Is this plus size? I'm in the plus size section. But low-key that might be cute since it's oversized. Look. Let's see. I should have brought my bag. Alright. I don't know what kind of look I'm going for. I should have planned this out. Ooh, maybe some cheetah pants. Or these pants. Like plaid pants. I think I'm in the plus size section. Yeah, I need to find my size. Deals. So mind your business. You don't got nothing in your cart though.
Actually I do. Mind your business.
What's in your cart? Don't worry about it. She all in my stuff. Y'all know I like the clearance section, so we're gonna try to see something in clearance. This is all old lady stuff. I can't do. I'm scared. Lashon can't beat me. Look at her. Look at her. Oh, she got plaid pink. I'm about to go to the men's section. She don't know nothing about that. Let's go to the men's section. We out of this thing. Deuces! She got in my cart. My cart is colored on me. what I'm gonna do is, first of all, I'm about to go just shop around and stuff because I'm wasting time and I can't focus. So I'm just gonna show you guys whenever I get my outfits together. I'm gonna try to do a dressed up outfit and a dressed down. She cheating, y'all. Look. She cheating.
I just showed y'all this and look what I
She cheating. Yo, this is overwhelming me.
It's just a lot of stuff.
I don't know what to do.
I put on that. I'm gonna go try stuff on and see what I like.
I still need stuff.
Hurry up, because I'm almost done speaking. So.
Yo, you fucking bad, Joe. Walmart fit they only allow 6 items, so I have this stuff I'm gonna try it on really quick, and yeah, let's see. Okay, y'all, so here is this turtleneck, and I'm thinking about like putting my chains out, and don't like that. I brought some leopard earrings, and I'm thinking about the white Reeboks with it. Yeah, at this point I'm tired. I think I have one outfit down packed. The other one I think it's just gonna be more chill. So I have this white button up. I'm gonna leave it open and put like my chains and stuff, and then I have this hat and these jeans and that, and I'm either gonna do it with my booties or my Reeboks. And then I have this, and I low-key want to pair it with that and do the Reeboks and do a chill look. But I like these cheetah things and these other pants. Okay, y'all, I think I'm done. I can't do this no more. I'm hungry. Lashon's still in the fit room. Hopefully she's done in a few. Now I'm just going in circles, and I'm hoping whatever I got in this cart will work out in my favor, because everything else is a dub. But we'll see. I'm for sure on one of the looks, definitely. But the other look, I feel like it's too basic. But you know what? There's some basic people out in the world that don't know how to dress. So, we'll see. This cute graphic that I found, it's a 2X. I'm thinking about pairing it with these and then that. Hey, y'all, let's call this on. She's not even answering. Y'all see what she doing to me? She holding me up. Well, no answer.
I'm about to buy one jacket.
Well, you have 2? Huh? You have 2?
Cardigan and then I have plastic. I can have some gray sweats at home.
Alright. Nah, I really think I'm about to stand in line. I don't feel like looking no more. Yeah.
That's all under $50?
I don't know.
Just gonna go to the back.
Mind your business. Alright, you think I should count it?
I don't care. You go up there and be open.
She's showing out. Yeah, she's showing out. What am I gonna do? Okay, so I made it to the self-checkout line and I'm waiting to go. We're gonna see. One of the jackets I got is $27. I don't know. I might not be getting no jacket today. We'll see. I'm starving though. And yeah, I'm just waiting for this lady to finish up and I will show you guys my total. Lashon's still over there shopping. Look at her. Still shopping. Look, still shopping. What is she doing? I can't believe her. Look at her. Look at that watches. I'm gonna be in the car when she's done. I'm talking mad jump. She's so indecisive. Yeah, look at this total. We said $50. It's already $61, and I already have 2 bags, and I still have stuff over here. Do I need a hat?
You have a black hat, don't you?
Not at your house.
let's just put this together and put these looks together and we'll see.
Can't believe this.
I can't either. I can't believe it.
2,000 years later.
All right, y'all, we back at the house finally. It took us 2 hours. Ooh. We're about to put our looks together and then do a lookbook. The lookbook part is gonna be on her channel, so make sure you check it out. We have a special guest.
It's me, bitch. Can I not come on YouTube? I've never done YouTube before, but like,
But what?
I got the face for it. Look.
First of all, Pooh, let me tell you about this. So it was on period, right?
On period.
And then I don't know. Oh,
You ever hit the wall?
I can't hit it. 2, 3.
Wait, we gotta do it together. Okay. How we gonna do
Hit
it?
it.
How you doing the show? She dropping the butt on the boat.
Yo.
I don't even know how to do it.
All right, so
Ready?
first you gotta like lift it.
You gotta go. Oh, was that my phone? Text me. Oh wait, sorry.
Oh wait,
Oh,
how many
3
times?
times to go.
Wait, and
Yeah. Are you ready?
Alright.
And then we're gonna say and period.
Period.
All right, ready? So, 1, 2, 3. And period.
Rhea, this is the first look. This is my song. I took it all the way in.
I like it both ways. Hey.
Lonnie got the cake. Can they hear me on this? Like when you do this, is you gonna like?
And you just call her Lonnie.
I didn't even see.
Where's Lonnie yet?
I'm in the show.
Alright, leave it on top.
Let me see.
Yeah, check it out.
Yeah.
I like both ways.
Do it. It would have been fire if I did this in the day,
In the day.
outside. Like
That's how I said we could have did it at different parts. Like a different day.
Does it look fine though?
yeah,
I mean, I still got good lighting.
Okay.
yeah.
Alright, ready? Yeah.
Did you go?
Yeah.
Oh.
Right back.
You didn't say
That-
nothing.
Go.
Alright, so if it's more cooler or colder, no, I have to say one or the other.
More colder. Or colder.
If it's more
If it's a little
cool,
chillier
yeah, a little
outside.
cool outside.
Alright,
Yeah.
yes. Alright.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
If it's more, what did y'all say, chilly?
If it's a little cool outside, if it's
Oh,
if it's
cool
chilly
inside.
outside,
Who says that? Somebody on the channel says, vloggy vlog vlog. Do you watch DK?
Yeah, I love that.
There's some-
That's then I said it.
Yeah.
Vloggy vlog. There you go. Alright. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, guys, so this look is, I'm nervous. Alright, good again.
Alright. Now I'm gonna do a clip.
Did you have it this way too?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Alright. Wait.
And go.
Wait, no. Start. I didn't know you were starting.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Alright, guys. So for this look, I wanted to go for something really chill because that's just.
Hey guys, this is almost look number 2. I don't know. We try and get the final touches. I low-key like the black.
we just had a 50-hour debate about in or out. I'm recording. I'm vlogging for the vloggy vlog.
Vloggy
I'm the
vlog.
director, creative director.
Alright, I think we're ready.
I need to be paid $10 per hour for recording for this, cause
Not from me.
honey. Oh, let me get out the way. All right.
Oh, I need all the lamp.
Alright, ready?
Alright.
Go.
Alright, so for this look, I don't know what to call this vibe, but it works. So this top is $15. The belt bag, which I love, is only $12. And then these Wrangler jeans, I got these from the men's section and they were $18.
Hey, I need $25. Marquise.
Is he here?
Let me check his location right now.
Another special guest.
The queen is in the building, bitch. And when he drops his channel,
Here you
Michelle,
go.
let me take this pic.
Come on.
He not about to get no channel.
Yes, I am. because
You
it looks
said
like
that
it's
last
on the
year.
block. I don't care. Last year I was not as cute as I am this year.
Excuse me? What?
Until I get a cut, I won't be on screen.
Electric chair.
What's wrong
They're like
with
this.
it?
They're like this. You all the way at the top.
This is how our other picture is. Let me show you so you can see.
Yeah, give me an example, because I don't know what the thumbnails, because I was
Fired.
And my thumbnails are how my king crab like.
Right.
Right.
Oh.
Yeah, it's my second look. Yay. All right, picture is over.
And we finished the video. You already know. It's lit.
Subscribe and watch the video.
I'll have all her stuff linked down below. Bye. Alright, y'all. We done with the vlog. It's time to get off of this thing. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell so you get an alert on the next time I upload.
Bye vlog.
Bye.
It's not a natural